Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Google Voice not available in your country. Alright, let's begin. The first method is using a VPN or virtual private network. A VPN hides your real location and makes it look like you're browsing from another country. To use Google Voice, connect your VPN to a United States server since the service is available there. A reliable option is NordVPN. It's fast, secure, and user-friendly. Once connected, try accessing Google Voice again. The second method is to get a US-based virtual phone number. Several online services offer US numbers you can register with. Use one of these numbers during the Google Voice sign-up process to bypass regional restrictions. Another option is using a Google Workspace account, previously called G Suite. Google Workspace accounts come with expanded access to services, including Google Voice. If you have a business or education account through Workspace, you might be able to use Google Voice even outside supported regions. Finally, if none of these methods work, consider using alternatives like WhatsApp or Telegram. These apps offer similar features for calling and messaging, and they're available in most countries without restrictions. So that's basically how you can fix Google Voice not available in your country. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.